Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to edit titles, sections, headers, and text in Weebly. Whether you're refreshing your website's look or updating content, mastering these editing basics will give you full control over your site's appearance and messaging. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and head to Weebly.com. Once you're there, log into your Weebly account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your home page. Take a look at the left menu where you'll see the website option. Click on it, and directly underneath, you'll find Edit Site. Click that to proceed. Now you'll see a list of all your websites. Choose the specific website you want to edit. Once you've selected it, look over to the right side of the screen and click the Edit button. This action will take you directly into the editor page of your website, where all the magic happens. On the top menu, make sure you're on the Build tab. This is important because the Build section is where you'll access all the tools for customizing your site's layout and content. If you want to edit your website title, it's usually easy to find at the top of your website. Simply click on the title text and you'll be able to edit it right there. Type in whatever you'd like your title to say. Now, to add or edit a section title, look at the left side menu and find the title element. Once you've located it, just drag it into your website wherever you want it to appear. After dropping it in place, you can type the title you want. The great thing here is that you have full editing control. You can make the text bold, italic, or underlined. You can also change the font color and adjust the text alignment to suit your design needs. Editing regular text works in exactly the same way. Find the text element on the left side menu and drag it into your website. Once it's placed, type in the content you want. Just like with titles, you can customize this text by making it bold, italic, or underlined, changing its font color and adjusting the text alignment to match your site's style. Now let's talk about editing sections. If you want to change the background of a section, simply click on the section's background. A pop-up menu will appear, and from there, click Edit Background. This gives you the option to replace your background with a new image or click Edit to adjust the position of your current background. This flexibility allows you to create the exact visual effect you're aiming for. Once you're satisfied with all your edits, make sure to click Save on the upper right corner. This ensures all your changes are preserved and live on your website. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to edit titles, sections, headers, and text in Weebly, giving you the tools to keep your website fresh and aligned with your vision. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.